Come test drive the 2016 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, security system, fog lights, rear window defroster, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.